hope you're all safe and well. And thank you for taking the time to watch this short little video on the importance of a visual daily schedule. So visual daily schedules are important for children, and this is true for at school or at home. It helps children learn about time and how to track their time. It also helps children to predict. Being able to predict what's going to come next helps children feel safe, and of course that is when they're going to do their optimum learning. When a child feels loved and safe, that is actually when their brain is able to problem solve, to learn and be creative. So we want to give them the tools that they will need to have the best optimum learning experience. And like I said, it works just as well at home as it does in the classroom. Now, a visual daily schedule will look different at home than it would at school. So for instance, here's an example of what a daily schedule might look like at home. We start out by waking up, having breakfast, and then next on the clock is chore time. And of course, it is important for children to learn that that you have expectations for them. And so if they know they have a schedule, they can look at the schedule and see what's expected of them. That will help them feel safe and feel productive and be able to be more cooperative. This is something they know about. There's nothing worse, and I know you as an adult will understand, is if somebody comes to you at the last minute and says, "Hey, you got a deadline. You got to get your work done." Something that you weren't prepared for. So this is why we feel that it's an important tool to give your children a schedule, and that can be something as simple as like this one is, or you might want to take some cute pictures of your children doing those chores and doing those things that are on their schedule to make it fun. Now, for teachers, your schedule is going to look a little different. So this is an example of a visual daily schedule for school, and it says what day it is, and again, it tells us the time, it tells them children what they're going to be doing, the morning circle, fitness, reading, spelling, and again, that predictability. It's important for children to have predictability and to be able to learn how to manage their time. So these are all very helpful tools. But one of the things when you give a child a daily schedule, and teachers, this is true, parents, this is true for all of us, that we want to talk about that schedule too. So at breakfast, parents, you're going to talk to your children about that daily schedule. Even though they have it visually, you will communicate and talk about that. That is helpful. And teachers, when you're in your circle time and you're talking about your day, you will engage your students and explain what is expected of them during the day. Now again, having the daily schedule is helpful to children. It's giving them a tool to learn how to learn about time and time management. It's teaching them about predictability, and it's also helping them understand their expectations, what is expected of them. Well, parents and teachers, I hope you've enjoyed this short little video on the visual daily schedule, and I hope it helps you with your time management at home and at school. Have a great day, everybody. Bye now.